Okay, my lemon tree. It's time for me to trim off some of these dead branches off of here so you won't be focusing your energy on trying to keep these dead branches alive and focus on growing some more lemons. They're not getting too much bigger here. Those not getting any bigger either. Look over here. My pomegranate tree has a lot of leaves on it. Come on, pomegranate. Grow us some pomegranates this spring. Look at here. You up here flowering too. Come on, pomegranate. No, I had to look at this again. This coming from my apple tree. I see the flowers there. Look over here. Some more flowering off my apple tree. Okay. Come on, my fruit trees. Grow for us. Look at here, all of these blooms. Lemon blooms here. Let me get busy trimming off these dead branches here. The trimming of the dead branches has been done. Come on, I still see all of the green in your branches here. So you can continue to grow some more lemons. Still have a few more that I need to trim off, but I got the majority of them all. Yes, okay. I think I need to trim you. Let's see. Trim you back to the green. You right here on the end too. Okay. Now come on and grow me some more lemons. Look how beautiful they are right here. Look at that. Look at all of the blooms there. Come on, lemon. Grow me some more beautiful lemons this spring.